tanong ni Sanchay, may kapabayaan nga ba ang kanyang pamilya? Tila hindi nga hahayaan ng Japan na madungisan ang kanilang bansa. Ito'y matapos mapabalita na di umano ay pumanaw ang aktres dahil sa pneumonia. Pero mula nga sa naging update ng Weibo Trending, kinumpirma ng Taiwanese media na ang ikinamatay o ang sanhi ng pagpanaw ni Barbie Hsu ay dahil sa sepsis. Ito po ang naging bahagi ng isang Chinese Stars update. From the media reports, half of Big S's death was caused by her own illness and the other half was the responsibility of her family. Big S felt unwell after she followed her family to Japan. She did not leave the hotel from the first to the third day of the Chinese New Year. On the night of the third day of the Chinese New Year, her condition worsened and she had to be sent to the hospital. She was only treated briefly and returned to the hotel. If it was sepsis, it means that she missed treatment in these 3 days, leading to viral infection. At this time, it seems that their family still did not take it seriously. On the fourth day of the Chinese New Year, Little S danced with her mother and posted a message. The post was quietly deleted after Big S died on the 2nd. Maybe the only chance to save Big S was the morning of February 1st. On the way to Tokyo, Big S' condition worsened again and she went to a local hospital for treatment. According to hospital records, Big S's blood oxygen saturation had dropped to 89% and obvious moist wales appeared in her lungs. The medical team recommended that she be transferred to a large hospital in Tokyo, but she did not go because the return flight was already booked. She stayed in a hotel that cost 10,000 or 20,000 yuan a night, but was delayed for a few tickets. Now that the person is gone, it's useless for those family members to show their pain. If one of these people really cared about Big S, she wouldn't have died. Therefore, the behavior of those family members is really hard to understand. In any normal family, if a family member feels unwell for 3 consecutive days, they will definitely force the family member to go to the hospital, especially in a foreign country where there is a lack of medical means. Instead of asking the hospital to handle the problem as soon as possible, they still travel as normal according to the travel plan. These people are sick in their brains, especially Big S' husband. His wife had a fever of several days in a row, but he acted as if nothing happened. He didn't even fulfill his basic responsibilities. Is he worried about the money or does he not take it seriously? He's pretending to be devastated and in pain even though the person is gone. Well, ano kaya ang masasay dito ng family matapos nga na tila sisihin ng mga tao ang kanilang aksyon? Marami din kasi talagang ang nagtatanong, isa ang Japan sa may magaganda at magagaling na ospital, pero bakit nga ba sa loob ng ilang araw pa lamang ay binawian ng buhay si Sanchay? Ito'y dahil ba sa kapabayaan ng kanyang pamilya? Well, ano masasay nyo about dito? Ang inyo pong komento ay mahalaga sa amin. Pero syempre, mag-comment lamang po ng tama at hindi makakasakit ng kapwa. Yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.